Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph and line spacing in OneNote. This is a great way to make your notes more readable and organized, especially when you're working with longer documents or need to create a cleaner layout. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once your notebook is loaded up, you're ready to begin adjusting those spacing settings that will make your notes look exactly how you want them. Now, to change paragraph and line spacing in OneNote, head over to your Home tab menu. This is where all your formatting and spacing options are located, so you'll be spending a bit of time here. Once you're in the Home tab, look for the paragraph spacing option. You'll recognize it by the up and down arrow icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that icon, a parameter window will appear on your screen. This window is where the magic happens, as it lets you input the paragraph spacing parameters for the text in your notes. You'll see fields labeled before, after, and line spacing. These fields control the amount of space that appears before each paragraph, after each paragraph, and between individual lines within a paragraph. Simply enter a parameter in the provided fields. For example, you might start with a small number like 6 or 12 to see how it affects your text. The beauty of this feature is that you can gradually adjust the spacing by continuously adding and tweaking the parameter input on your paragraph spacing. This lets you experiment until you find the exact spacing that you're comfortable with and that makes your notes easy to read. Feel free to play around with different values until your text looks just right. Some people prefer tighter spacing for dense notes, while others like more breathing room between lines and paragraphs. It's all about personal preference and what works best for your workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the paragraph and line spacing in OneNote to match your exact needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.